A bill to repeal Colorado's death penalty is headed to the governor's desk. He is expected to sign that into law, making Colorado the 22nd state to abolish the death penalty. CBS 4's Karen Morfitt live from the Capitol Forest tonight. And Karen, Tom Sullivan lost a son in the Aurora Theater shooting. He was against this, as well as Senator Rhonda Fields, who has made fighting this her mission.
And Karen, the two men convicted in the murder of her son are currently sitting on death row. She's been very outspoken about her opposition for years, fueled by her own experience. In 2005, Javad Marshall Fields and his fiancée Vivian Wolf were murdered in Aurora. The two men responsible, Robert Ray and Sir Mario Owens, were sentenced to death.
It is a tough conversation to have.
For years, State Senator Rhonda Fields, Javad's mother, has been fighting to keep Colorado's highest penalty in place, sharing her family's story at hearing after hearing, regardless of how difficult, for nearly a decade.
So I have to relive that trauma and that experience, and it comes with a lot of scars.
Her push ended on Wednesday after a majority of lawmakers voted to repeal the death penalty in Colorado, a decision that comes after 6 failed attempts. For House Majority Leader Alec Garnett, it was a yes he couldn't be swayed on.
I believe in a society that spends money on reform of the system, not on appeals. I believe in a society that invests in rehabilitation.
Fields says she sees it as hijacking justice from victims who should have that path to justice.
It sends a very clear message that no matter how heinous the crime is, everyone gets the same penalty.
Now, in addition to the two men in Fields' son's case, Nathan Dunlap is also currently on death row. What happens to those 3 men who are currently on death row will be up to the governor, and he says at this time there have been no requests for clemency. There is currently also no effort to get this issue on the ballot. For now, we're live in Denver. Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.